Between your joints, there is a fluid that acts as a lubricant while moving. And when you stretch or pull your joints, a little tiny bubble of gas forms in the fluid. And this bubble collapses, creating that annoying yet satisfying popping sound. And if you want to crack the same joint again, you probably have to wait for like 20 minutes for the gas to return to the fluid. But when your mom comes and tells you, stop cracking your knuckles, it's bad for you. Is it really bad for you? A study in 2011 tracked 250 adults for 5 years, and they found no link between cracking your knuckles and the onset of arthritis. I know a lot of people are going to tell me, 5 years? That's not enough. Well, guess what? Do you know this guy? This guy cracked his knuckles only on his left hand for 60 years. And he didn't find any significant difference between both of his hands. That's for 60 years. 5 years isn't enough. 60 years. Do you have that commitment? Sorry mom, cracking my knuckles won't really harm me. That's probably
fake news.
Okay, cracking your knuckles isn't that bad, but please don't crack your neck and back.
Cracking your knuckles isn't that bad, but please don't crack your neck and back. Cracking your knuckles isn't that bad, but please don't crack your neck and back. Cracking your knuckles isn't that bad, but please don't crack your neck and back. Cracking your knuckles isn't that bad, but please don't crack your neck and back.
Yeah, just don't crack it by yourself. It has to be done by a professional because of all the vital structures in your neck. Cracking your neck feels good, but it might cause you damage in the long run. That's all I have for now. See you guys next Wednesday. Goodbye.